Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'll be showing you how I make my chicken strips and gravy. What's not to love about that, right? So I'm starting off by putting all my dry ingredients in a bag. So to the bag I'm just adding some flour, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, and the last thing is black pepper. And I like to put it in a bag because it's just easier to cook the chicken. Just give it a good shake to mix it all together. If you have never used complete seasoning before, you have to give it a try. I'll have a link below for you so you can check that out. But I'm telling you, it makes everything good. I use it a lot in my Belizean cooking. At this point, I like to take out some and put it in a little dish and set it aside to make the gravy later. For the wet part of this recipe, I'm just using eggs. And I'm just whisking 2 eggs here. So for this recipe, I'm just using chicken breast, and I'm using 1 chicken breast here that I cut up into thin strips. To start, I'm dipping the chicken in the flour, then give it a good shake. Then I'll dip it in the egg. Then back in the flour. Back in the egg, and then the flour again. It takes a little time to do this double dipping thing, but it's so worth it. This is one of my favorite recipes because it's so simple, it's so easy, but it's so good. I'm using my fryer to fry these up, and I have it set on 360. Don't forget to set your basket in the oil to get heated when you heat up the fryer, because a lot of people always forget to do that. Now I'm ready to make my gravy. I have my pan set on medium heat, and I'm just adding some oil to that. Sometimes I like to use the oil that I used to fry the chicken in, but I've been using that oil for a little while, so I want some clean oil to make my gravy because I don't want to mess up this gravy. Remember that seasoned flour that I saved earlier? Well, here it is. I'm just putting it in my oil and I'm whisking that and let that cook for like 3 to 5 minutes or so, just until it gets nice and golden brown. You don't want to burn this because it won't taste good. Now I'm adding the milk and I'm just whisking that in slowly. And you just want this to cook until it gets smooth and thick. Cook it like 3 to 5 minutes or so again, and don't leave your pan. Stay right there and whisk that thing. Well, I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Please don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to like it, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.